Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamicacademy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 14 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the letters of Yarmaloon in an Arabic accent. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what are the letters of Yarmaloon in an Arabic accent and how do we pronounce the letters of Yarmaloon in an Arabic accent. What are the letters of Yarmaloon in an Arabic accent, or how many letters of Yarmaloon in an Arabic accent? There are 6 letters of Yarmaloon in an Arabic accent, and they are Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon, and their combined form is this. There are 6 Yarmaloon letters. There are 6 letters of Yarmaloon in an Arabic accent, and they are, how do we pronounce these Yarmaloon letters? Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon. These are the 6 letters of Yarmaloon in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.